So you already know by the title, the thumbnail, and the intro, it's another edition of Cooking with Katrena in my priceless kitchen. Today it's all about homemade biscuits. Good Saturday morning to you, and I'm showing this video so early that you have enough time to make these biscuits for brunch if you like. This is the easiest biscuit recipe ever. You only have 2 ingredients: whitelily flour and heavy whipping cream. Mix well and you should come out with a tacky dough. Place that on your board or surface, floured board or surface, and simply press out with your fingers and fold at least 4 times. After folding over 4 times, pat out to about a ½ inch, and now it's time to cut out our biscuits. Flour your biscuit cutter, press down, but do not twist. Preheat your oven to 425. Butter your baking pan, dish, or whatever you're using, and cook your biscuits for about 15 minutes. Okay, so here is my favorite part: adding some melted butter, because butter just makes it better. And this is how the bottom looks with that butter. Thank you so much for hanging out with me on this Saturday morning. And this is the official end to Vlogmas 2025. If you love Amazon, please make sure to shop my Amazon storefront. The link is in the bio and the description box below. And as always, on your way out, couple of things I need you to do. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below, because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.